What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to readjust your misaligned gear shift selector on your late model Fords, and this probably would apply from your 98 to your 2000 Ford F-Series and Ford Rangers, and this is Explorer Sports Trac 2002. So what we see is the shifter is in park, but it's actually misaligned. So what happens when you're putting it in drive, you actually end up with it in second, or showing that it's in second. So you see you're in neutral, but it's in drive. So I'm going to show you how to get that fixed. So stay tuned. The first thing you want to do is go underneath your dash, and you're going to locate 4 screws. One is going to be here, 2 behind your hood latch, which is here, and you're going to have another one that's here. So you're going to remove those 4 screws. Once you remove all your screws, next thing you want to do is take your panel and pull it up and towards you. And that'll release the clamps that are here. Then next, you're going to remove your 5 bolts holding your panel, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's get those removed. So once everything is removed, you're going to go underneath your dash and locate your shift alignment cable, which is this cable here. And as you follow it to the end, you're going to see that there's a hardware here that connects your cable to. There's a spin wheel that you would turn to make the adjustments either left or right. In this case, if you can see, the hardware is broken. So we're going to replace this hardware, and in order to do that, we're going to remove this screw that holds the hardware and release the cable where it's connected, which is right here at the top. So let's get those done. So once you get everything removed, so this is your cable, and this is what adjusts your linkage, and your wheel threads down on the threads, which is here. So the way it will work, this is our new hardware, and we got metal, so that way it guarantees not to break, and that's where our screw came out of. So the way it would work, as you go to thread this back in, you will have your wheel in, and as your wheel is in, you would thread this through and turn your wheel to make your adjustments. And this mounts just like your new one. Your old one mounts back to there, so it will be mount here, and that's how we'll mount everything. So let's get everything put back together, and this how it will look. So that's your thread. As you turn to make your adjustments, it pulls your cable tighter, and that's what makes the adjustments. And then that just mounts right back to your spot, and we'll hook everything back together. Once you get everything put back together, then you can reach under and turn your dial to get it lined up where you want it, and then check it by putting it into gear, reverse, and you can make your adjustment from there. Neutral, drive. Look like everything. So now once you got everything lined up, hope this video helps. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification for upcoming videos. We'll talk to you later.